students. Welcome back to the analysis of the previous papers of Guru Nanak Dev University. And this time I will be analyzing the paper of BA Semester 2 History 2017 and 16. मैंने बच्चे 2019 एंड 18 ऑलरेडी जो है आपके साथ कर दिया है इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर. सो इस बार जो है लेट्स सी व्हाट were the type of questions which came in 2017. Now, before we go on to discuss this paper, I'm sure that you are aware of what your syllabus is. Section A mein bache, you have the Ghaznavi and the Gauris. You also have the Sultanate of Delhi till the Balban. In section C, we have the Khiljis, Tughlaq, and Vijayanagar Empire. In section C, we have the advent of Mughals under Babur. We have Humayun, Akbar, right? And in the last, we also have Jahangir or your just hold on, bete. We also have Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, right? And in the last section, we have the administration and culture under the cultural development under the Mughals and establishment of the Maratha power. So let's quickly see what were the kind of questions which came in 2017. देखो सेक्शन ए में बच्चे they have asked what were the causes of the success of the Turks. I think I feel that this is one of the most important questions. So one must not leave this question. Then write the achievements of Iltutmish. And then in Unit 2, they have asked about the administrative experiments of Muhammad bin Tughlaq and causes of his failure. And then they have asked about the administration of Vijayanagar Empire. From section C, they have asked about the administrative reforms of Sher Shah Suri. They have also asked about the Rajput policy of Akbar. In Unit 4, they have talked about the conquest of Shivaji. Then they've also asked you about the features, merits, and defect of Mansabdari system of the Mughals, right? So this was the paper in 2017. Section A, success of the Turks, achievements of Iltutmish. Section B, the experiments of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, administration of Vijayanagar Empire. Section C, the administrative reforms of Sher Shah Suri or the Rajput policy of Akbar. Section D, the conquest of Shivaji, features, merits and defect of the Mansabdari system of Mughals. चलो जी, so now let's see कि 2016 में कैसा पेपर आया था. ऑलराइट, देखो ये जो आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है बच्चे, ये पहले हुआ करते थे. पैटर्न जो है अब इस बार थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. सो आई विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट दीज शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द मेन वन. देखो इसमें 2016 में जो है दे हैव आस्क्ड यूनिट 1 से दे हैव आस्क्ड एनालाइज द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ इल्तुतमिश and was he the real founder of the Turkish rule in India, and describe the Mongol policy of Balban. That is what they have asked. In Unit 2, they have asked the economic reforms of Alauddin Khilji. They have also asked write a critical note on the administrative reforms of Firoz Tughlaq. देखो Firoz Tughlaq becomes really important in this section. Why? Because during the time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, there were a lot of revolts, right? So obviously, when he was followed by Firoz Tughlaq, so he took a lot of administrative reforms. So there can always be a question on that. On a critical note, that means you have to critically analyze, was it right or wrong? Like he made the Jagirdari hereditary. So you know all these kind of reforms, you have to critically analyze them. Now, Unit 3, what was the political condition of India on the eve of the invasion of Babur? And then comes the religious policy of Akbar. Now, in Unit 4, we have discuss the Maratha administration under Shivaji and the features of the Mughal architecture. Honestly, bachcho, both my videos are absolutely ready to be uploaded, but there were certain pictures I wanted to add. So I promise you by today's evening, you will have 2 parts of videos on the administration. In one part, I have talked about the central, provincial and local administration. In the next part 2 of the video lecture, I've talked about the financial, judicial and the military organization. I have my two videos absolutely ready to be uploaded. One is on the literature, music and paintings under the Mughals. Part 2 of this is the Mughal architecture. So please do kind of listen to these videos, and by tomorrow afternoon or by evening I again have two detailed videos on the Marathas. One will be the political developments, and number two will be its administration. So I hope these videos will be helpful to you, right? So quickly बच्चे, हम लोगों ने 2016 का पेपर भी देख लिया है. अब आप एक बात देखो, हमने 2019 का भी किया है, 18, 16, 17. एक चीज़ है बच्चे, there are variety of questions. Like from your first section, the question can be the condition of India on the eve of the Turkish invasion, or causes of the success of the Turks. They have also asked about the conquest of Muhammad Ghori, right? Then the other thing they have asked about Iltutmish, his achievements. ये question थोड़ा ज़्यादा repeat हुआ गया है. Then Mongol policy of Balban has been asked. Balban की blood and iron policy has been asked in these 4 years. सेक्शन बी में बचे देखो, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स भी पूछे गए हैं. मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हैव आल्सो बिन आस्क्ड, और फ़िरोज़ तुगलक के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स के ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन है. विजयनगर एम्पायर के ऊपर 2 तरह के क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं. एक तो उनके आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर के फीचर्स के ऊपर, दूसरा उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के ऊपर आए हैं. सेक्शन सी में बचे एक क्वेश्चन जो बार बार आया है, दैट इज़ दी राजपूत पॉलिसी ऑफ अकबर. सो यू मस्ट नॉट काइंड ऑफ लीव दिस टॉपिक, द राजपूत पॉलिसी. और इस बार 2016 में उनकी रिलीजियस पॉलिसी भी आई है. सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. अकबर की राजपूत पॉलिसी, रिलीजियस पॉलिसी आर वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो है बच्चे, जैसे इस बार बाबर के ईव के ऊपर जो है क्या पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन थी. अदरवाइज yes, we had the question on the administrative reforms of शेर शाह सूरी. एंड जो लास्ट का मुझे लगता है बच्चे आपका जो सेक्शन है, उसमें देखो मराठा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बार बार रिपीट की गई है. दैट इज़ वन क्वेश्चन यू शुड नॉट बी लीविंग. शिवाजी के कॉन्क्वेस्ट जो हैं, ऑब्वियसली दे हैव बीन आस्क्ड मैनी अ टाइम्स. एंड मुगल आर्किटेक्चर एंड मनसबदारी. सिंस आई टोल्ड यू बच्चे, ये जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस रिपीटेडली आए हैं, माय वीडियो लेक्चर्स आर ऑलरेडी रेडी फॉर दिस एंड आई विल बी अपलोडिंग देम इन द इवनिंग. डू ट्यून इन टू वॉच दीज वीडियोज़, राइट? So I think this is all I have for you. I have discussed all these papers, and I hope it will help you to get an idea that what kind of questions can be asked in the present examination. लेकिन बच्चे, again you have to be very very vigilant that there are no do's and don'ts. It is not that this can come, this cannot come. It all depends on the mood of the examiner, how they want to, on what on what areas do they want to test you. So मैं आपको यही कहूँगी कि make a list of important questions that you are doing, उनको ज़्यादा तवज्जो दो, लेकिन बाकी questions भी छोड़ के नहीं जाने हैं. उनको अच्छे से read करो, because end of the day this time it's going to be an online exam. So if you know that what you have to write, it won't be a difficulty. ठीक है जी. सो टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. मैं आप सब बच्चों को यही कहूँगी, इफ़ यू कैन ड्रीम इट, you can then do it. So it doesn't matter, work hard, and I am sure you all will be the shining stars, right? So all the best. And if you have any difficulties, bache, you want to see any video on any important topic, just write it in the comments box. Of course that video will be there here to help you to learn more about history. Thank you so much, and I will see you with the other videos very soon.